Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is an advanced bus ticket booking system using secure QR code. Then see the abstract. This system provides the effective software for maintaining the e-tickets and advanced bus ticket booking system using the secure QR code. It's useful for people to get their e-ticket online instead of standing in long queue to get their e-ticket. Bus ticket. Okay. This system reduces paperwork, then time consumption, and make the process of issuing ticket in a simpler and faster way. In this system, we decided easily who are all want to travel the bus. Is easy. After the ticket booking by the passenger, when the bus owner accepts, then it's generated the unique QR code for every passenger, and easily verify the person by using the QR code scanner. First of all, we see the admin page side. The admin have the user ID password for separate. Then login. Go first options are there. Add bus or add bus timing like that. If you enter the bus details and then date to temperature and time due to pressure, then how many seats are available, then click the OK. Then view the bus use the by admin and view the request who are all want to travel the bus means, then view the request. Scan the QR code for verify. If customers passengers come to the bus means, then scan the QR code to verify the person is booking or not. Then passengers sites is register and login. If you are the new user, then register. If you are a old user, then login. Then login, book the ticket. Bus is a list of the book the ticket when choose the bus and give the request to the bus owners and request accept the request. The bus owners means generate the QR code. All the data are stored in the Firebase. Okay, this is our app. It is some user login screen and password. This is a user register screen. First of all, we go to the admin. The admin is bus owner. Then if you enter the admin password is 123456, then press login. If you want to create bus means like add bus name is now is about bus name is Roja bus. Bus number is TN 58 BV 251. Departure date is, if you want to click the departure date, automatically open the calendar page. Then if you want to select the date of the time and date and the time, if you want to click the time, then click the time. Then if you want, if the bus is 10 p.m. so 22:0, then click number of seats in this bus 40. Then created successfully. Then view the bus details. See here, Roja bus, as long as I see on the Roja bus. Then go to the user page. This page is creating the users. Like the users will be creating this page. Ramesh
at gmail.com, mobile number 123456, sorry, mobile number 123454210, password is 123456. Then click sign up. The base, go to the login page. Straightly the sign up fully success means, then go to the login page. Then page is going to login. Then if you want to click my login, ramesh at gmail.com, password is 123456. Then press login. Bus list. Then if you want to which bus, if you Roja book the Roja bus means, then click the register button. Then request was sent. Then Barwin bus also we register the Barwin bus is also. Then go to admin, login. Then enter the admin user ID password. Then admin bus list. In the Roja bus we have request the Ramesh is requested the bus traveling to the bus, then accepted successfully. The Barwin bus, Ramesh rejected. Okay, if you fully completed, then QR code scanning this allow the picture, then scan the QR code. This is a emulator, so it does not scan the did not scan the code. If you scan the means, then details showing the details of the users. Then log out, enter ramesh at gmail.com 123456. Then press login, confirm list, Roja bus. This display the Roja bus details only because the other bus is rejected, so display the Roja bus details. Insert the QR code. Then you click the Roja bus means, then you showing the QR code to show the conductor of the bus or driver of the bus, so the so allowed to the bus.